Step 1, preparation. Make the setting for the raindrop as relaxing as possible. Make sure the room is at a comfortable temperature, remove noise or distractions, set up a massage table, and cover it with a twin-size sheet. Put on an additional sheet to provide the recipient coverage and warmth. Set up the essential oils from the Raindrop Technique collection within easy reach. You'll need these oils in order: Valor 2, oregano, thyme, basil, cypress, wintergreen, marjoram, aroma seeds, peppermint. Though it is not necessary for a successful raindrop or found in the kit, white angelica is also a helpful part of the technique. Be sure to have it nearby as well. Having all supplies immediately at hand will allow you to stay in continuous contact with the recipient, creating a stronger sense of security and comfort. Please keep in mind the following as you prepare to perform the raindrop technique. Ask the recipient if he or she would first like to use the restroom. Keep your fingernails clean, well-trimmed, and free from polish. Both facilitator and recipient should remove jewelry. Keep a bottle of V6 vegetable oil complex nearby. You may need it to dilute essential oils if they begin to irritate the skin. If for any reason essential oils come in contact with the eyes, use V6 oil to flush, not water. Offer the recipient plenty of water at the end to help flush toxins. The amount of essential oils may need to be increased or decreased depending on the age, size, and sensitivity of the recipient. For example, when performing the raindrop technique on children, you should use less oil and dilute stronger oils with V6 vegetable oil complex before application to avoid irritation. You may also want to try a patch test for certain essential oils on the recipient prior to beginning the raindrop. Everyone will experience the raindrop technique differently. Recipients may experience fatigue, increased energy, emotional release, or other short-term effects. For each experience, always provide a safe and supportive space. Ensure that the recipient stays modest at all times. This helps maintain trust, respect, and feelings of security. While there is no specific criteria on who may or may not receive the raindrop, some people may choose to avoid the raindrop technique if they are pregnant or lactating, have a chronic disease, have had a reaction to any of the oils used in the technique, or have had a recent surgery or injury. To best support the goals of the raindrop technique, also recommend that the recipient follow with a healthy diet and complementary young living supplements such as sulfurzyme, Digest and Cleanse, Multi-Greens, Life 5, Juvatone, Juva Power, Essential Zymes 4, Detoxzyme, and Alkalyme. Offer the recipient a drape, gown, or bathrobe as you give him or her privacy to disrobe to the waist and remove shoes and socks. Before re-entering the room, ask to make sure he or she is lying face up on the table and is covered by the drape. Ask the recipient to rest his or her arms alongside the body with palms touching the thighs just below the hips. Apply white angelica to your shoulders, back of neck, and just below the center of your collarbone. Enter the room with a positive mindset. Your mindset is important and can help set the tone for both you and the recipient.